Hi friends, today on Bollywood Now we have the gorgeous South actress Parvati Nirban. So today she is here at the special festival which is the 40th South Indian Festival at Radhakrishna Hotel. So how is the ambience here?
I love the ambience, and I've been here before only because of the South Indian food. Because we shoot in South and we go to different locations, like even out of city and all. And then I'm very accustomed to actually eating very pure, kind of South Indian food. So like any restaurant would not help me, so I would like something that will give me that taste which I get it there. So that's the main thing, because I'm like a foodie actually. So and I go for taste, like I don't think like mote ho jaungi. So like I don't really diet, honestly. I dance and I gym and that's it, but I don't diet at all. So that's the reason why I'm also celebrating this festival along with the restaurant, to enjoy the same kind of food and just to taste whether I'm getting the same thing or not.
And out of all the South Indian dishes which are there, which is your favorite dish and what do you prefer to cook at home also?
Yeah, my favorite is idli sambar, steam idli, and which I prepare at home. But I do prepare uttapam. I do prepare like masala, onion, tomato. Like I'm a kind of like I cook what I like, so that I do. And then otherwise, like in the afternoon time, I also love rasam. Like if you know rasam and a rice, so that's also one of the things. Though like I put on whenever I go to South, and if it is like a 1 month schedule, then I'm gone. I'll put on, but then again I come back in Bombay, again I reduce. So that goes on with me.
And talking about your South films, you've done 3 South films. In fact, your third film is on release. So can you just tell the audience something about what films you have acted in and how you enjoyed working with the co-stars?
Sure. The movie on release right now is Piravi. The music release is already done for it, and Vikrant is playing the lead character. I am the love interest, like I'm the main lead as a girl, and it's like a commercial film, like lot of fight, there's a love thing, there's friendship, there's everything. So I'm excited because I haven't seen anything besides what they have released as a teaser on YouTube. So like I'm also thinking what's there. So I'm desperately waiting and obviously keeping my finger crossed. Like I really want, like 2 of my previous films were hit, but now I'm looking for like a super hit. So I hope this would be. I just pray to God for that.
And about your two previous films, they have been Tamil films, right?
One was Tamil, and one was Kannada.
Okay. Yeah. So in Tamil, you had acted with which actor, and how was your experience working on that kind of subject? What were you playing as the protagonist?
In my first film, that was with Vimal. Vimal is a known star there, so I acted opposite him, but I was playing the second lead in it. The first lead was Kajal's sister, Kajal Agarwal. So her sister was the first lead. It was her first film as well as my first film, and then we both were like opposite Vimal, and it was good. Like from my first film, I've done all good, like big banner and known heroes and all. So what I always found is people being very professional and at the same time very nice, and they really like. They are very nice to like whoever comes from Bombay. I know that there is a kind of Bombay craze, so that's good for me.
And talking about South remakes, we have seen that a lot of movies in Bollywood are being made in terms of South remakes. So what do you have to say about starring in any of the Bollywood remakes of the South films?
I wish Salman call me for one of the remake. That's my ultimate wish. So, this is what I mean and this is what I feel. So, very direct about it, but I don't mind it because I'm very transparent, and I am what I am. So I don't feel like hiding it. This is what I want to do, and movies, film is my life. This is what I want to do all my life. If I become old, I'll be playing some other character. If I become fat, I'll play some other character, but I'll be acting. That I know for sure. So this is my interest now. Like last 2 years, I've also learned Kathak. So then it was difficult to catch up with the regular. You have to actually learn when you do Kathak. So I couldn't really manage. So this year I didn't do it, and then I'm doing Bollywood dancing and all. So I mean, this is what is my life. So I love it.
And if we have to talk about the Bollywood heroes, there are the three Khans, and then there's Hrithik Roshan, there's Ajay Devgan, Akshay Kumar, Ranbir Kapoor, Ranveer Singh.
Yeah.
So whom would you like to star opposite, or which actor?
I am like, actually, I like Salman Khan most. I watch almost all his films. Sometimes if I would have been missed, I don't know. But mostly, 90% of his films I watch. I watch all films actually. That's what I was thinking. So, and for me, film is like my life. So I'm not thinking. See, I mean, if Amir Khan would come, and I won't say no. I am not in that position. I'm like too young a star to be. So I am just looking for good opportunities, good script. If they give me good work, and these people are already, you know, at a stage where they don't compromise with the quality. So I really don't have to think when they are there in the film. So if they tell me to play like a heroine, so it will be like dream come true.
And talking about Salman Khan, starting from Biwi Ho To Aisi or Maine Pyar Kiya to his last release, which is Jai Ho, which is your favorite movie?
I love Jai Ho. I love, and I think, there should be like, it should become like a super hit. Like, I know it's like it did very well, but I thought like that was less. It should do more, because the film, like Salman is already doing a good, very good entertainment films, and then but this film has a message, and this is what I like, because like as a person I'm very, very spiritual, and somebody is talking about through a film, and a big star is talking about something like, you know, helping people in a real sense. Like, it really touched my heart, honestly. And I think people should, like, I wrote my status also, like on Facebook, like, you know, I tell everybody, please, 3 of my best friends, if you consider me friend, go watch the film. Do that first at least. You know.
So I hope Salman is watching this, and if he watches this show, so would you like to audition for him?
Any day.
So 2 line हो जाए सलमान के लिए. Any of your dialogues, South Indian movie, or maybe in Hindi if you have learnt any dialogues or anything for that matter. सलमान के लिए ऑडिशन करना है आपको.
सलमान के लिए अब उनके डायलॉग पे कैसे ऑडिशन?
नहीं, उनके नहीं, आप एज एन एक्ट्रेस कोई रोमांटिक लाइंस हो जाए या एनीथिंग, आपके फिल्म के कुछ डायलॉग्स हो जाए, साउथ इंडियन चलेगा?
ठीक है. Salman, if you're watching this, I can't do any more, but I love you. I mean, not now. I would be like, I'm thinking like if he's watching, then I'll become nervous. I mean, at least in my first time.
Okay.
Yeah, so I don't know.
आपकी जो आने वाली फिल्म है उसके ही दो लाइन हो जाए डायलॉग्स, क्योंकि यू कैन प्रमोट दैट मूवी. अच्छा ठीक है.
I'm sorry, but I
Not a
don't
problem.
remember.
And what do you have to say about your forthcoming movies? Would you also like to star in any Bollywood movies?
Yes. Because actually Tamil is not my language, and I learn, every time I learn a lot of dialogues and I mug up and all. That's why I tend to forget. So I'm sorry. Otherwise I would have spoken. Yeah, and about Hindi you were saying? Mm-hmm. Sorry, what was your question?
I was saying, like, are you also meeting the producers? As I said, I've already spoken about the stars, so you want to star opposite Salman Khan. But have you also met up with the Bollywood directors, talking about projects?
I have not actually went and met a lot of people, honestly. Because like in the end of 2013, I thought, okay, fine. I mean, this is the time now I should think about doing a Hindi film. Before that, I didn't think. And honestly, everything, my lucky star, but everything fall on my lap. I never went and approached anybody in South also. Sitting here in Bombay, they called me directly going for the shoot. And then learning of the dialogue, and they always like me. Like, my first director is also telling me to actually act in his second film. That was his first film, the director, and then he's making the second. So I hope, this way it is still happening. I want to catch up with the with the pace of people, how they do more films in a year. Like, I'm a little slower, so now I want to do more films in 1 year. That's what I am thinking, and also at the same time I want to do Hindi. That's one of my thing. Like I'm thinking now it's the high time I should do Hindi, because I'm like feeling like somewhere I can do better when it comes to Hindi. I feel that way. I mean, nothing offending about anybody, but it's just my comfort zone. Yeah.
Fine. And Jate Jate, any message that you would like to give to your fans?
Do watch Pirvi and make it a big success. I'm really looking for a super hit this time. Thank you.
So friends, this was the South sensation Parvati, exclusive on Bollywood Now. Along with cameraman Paresh Rawat, this is SKD signing off for Bollywood Now. And keep watching Bollywood Now for latest updates on Bollywood and television.